Hi guys, it is X. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing and comparing the mini Orgy Palette original that I bought versus the one that they fixed and sent. When I first purchased this, I filmed it on camera. I bought the Orgy collection and I was only going to purchase the mini Orgy Palette, which here is mine. So pretty. I love the colors. I was excited because I was like, I'm gonna probably use these for my wedding. And then as I was filming, two of the colors just would not show up at all, like on my eye. And I was like, what is going on here? Like, am I using the wrong brush? I tried multiple brushes and it just wasn't working. So then later on, Jeffree had put out a statement that I guess there was an issue with one of the batches. So everybody that had purchased one was getting another one, and I'm so glad. So today we are going to swatch them and compare them to each other. And yeah, if you guys want to know my thoughts and opinions on if there is a difference, just keep on watching. But before you swipe me away or click me out of this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So I don't think I've actually tried all the colors, and ooh, how am I gonna like differentiate the new versus the old, besides the fact that I have, okay, this one's a little dirty on the back, so I guess that's how I knew. So we'll keep the old one on this side and we'll keep the new one on this side. And let me see, I ruined my white one because I dipped a dirty brush in it, and so the color is a little bit different. But okay, we're gonna start off with Glass Wet, and I'm gonna show you when I swatch it. Oh, okay, that time it did come off a lot. Usually when I do it, it didn't come out as much. So there is that one. So that was my issue. It was pretty sheer, not really working. And so here is the new and improved Glass Wet, and let's see, is there a difference? I believe a little bit. Like, I can see it more now compared to here where I just don't see anything. So I do see a little bit of a difference there. Let's get that off and dry it. And next we're gonna go over Champagne Drip, and that will be the middle color. So I'm trying to figure out where to put these. I love this one. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. So there you go. Two swatches side by side, and it does look better in my opinion. So I'm very excited to actually put it on my eyes and try it, because I was really excited for the first row of colors and I was just disappointed when they weren't as I guess visible on the eye as I expected them to be. So this is Gagging, another color that I was really looking forward to. There's that one, and here is this one. So I think the color payoff is just much more visible. And I apologize because I am very light skinned, so hopefully this does show up on camera. Okay, we're gonna go now to the second row and go over these. Just comparing them side by side, this does look to me much more brighter. So let's see, this is Bathhouse. I guess we can speed this up a bit. Yeah guys, I don't know, I think they definitely fixed the formulas. And this is Frozen Fire. Sorry, I'm just a little confused because oh, okay, there it is. I was like, why is it supposed to be pink and it's showing up gold? It's like, what kind of trickery is this? That's a very interesting shade. and I will show you why, because it is this pink one and it has reflexes of pink, but actually looks more gold on the hand to me. But anyway, we'll move on to the third one, and that is Soaking Sun. I'm trying to make sure that my hands are dry before I just keep like dipping them in these colors. Oh, it's makeup remover. Okay, so here's Soaking in the Sun. Oh my god, it's so pretty. You guys, I honestly have not worn half of these. I'm telling you, for the same color, I just think that the new Orgy Palette Mini looks much better, like just from the swatches. Okay, so we're gonna go down to the last one, the last row, and that is gonna be Eiffel Tower. I have not touched this color at all yet, so here is the one from the original. And here is the one from the new and improved. Let me do that a little bit over again. I'm just over here swatching like Kim Kardashian. So there you go. And then Foam Party. Now I gotta go find a brush to actually try it on my eye. I don't want to ruin my new one like I did before, but we shall see. I will compare them side by side on my eye and then just fill in my eye and we'll see. So, okay, did we do Foam Party? I don't remember. Okay, we're just gonna, if we didn't, can you believe that? It was like 2 seconds ago. Foam Party. Let's try that again. Okay, not really visible. And there we go. All right. These shades look so dark, some of them, and then you put them on and they're just a little bit more transparent. Okay, let's do this side since I haven't touched it. Okay, so Explicit. This will be our final color. There. That is from the old one. And here, I'll keep it on this side since that's what we've been doing, is from the new one. Okay, overall, I think that the shades that I was having issues with have improved. So let me just go get a clean brush and we'll put it on the eyes and we'll see. Of course, the only clean brush that I have, I don't feel like is gonna be the perfect one for this particularly, but let me show you because I was very excited for Glass Wet. This is my old one, and when I put it on my eye, nothing happened. Like, I tried multiple brushes the first time and I was super disappointed because it didn't come off as I thought it was. And so I dipped another brush in here. That's how I ruined it to begin with, because I dipped something pink in here and I put it on. Oh, so funny, this is a little bit wet because I just rubbed it on the makeup remover brush. I'm sorry, this thing. And it actually finally showed up, so maybe that was the problem. Maybe I just needed a little bit of Fix Plus or something. But here is the new one without it, and if I have to go get some Fix Plus, I will. Okay, so still kind of faint. I feel like the swatch was better, but the payoff on the eye, still not the same. So let's go ahead and put it in with the wet brush. There we go. Finally, I feel like that finally showed up a tad bit, but it's still not what I thought it was gonna be. But maybe this was just I don't know, a topper. So the next one that I ended up going to was this gagging one because it was so pretty. So I'm gonna just put it on top, and we're just gonna use from the new one. Okay, so I quickly finished my makeup here, and I am still disappointed in the first color. Like, I tried with a different brush and used Fix Plus, and I still feel like the color payoff is not what I expected. So it might just be my expectations of it, but I do think by swatching it that the colors have improved. I just don't know if I was expecting a different payoff on my eye, or maybe it is supposed to be a little bit more sheer and I was expecting it to be non-transparent. I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think, if you received a second one, and if you tried it, if you think there's a difference or there isn't. I'm very thankful that he at least has the amazing customer service representation that he has and is willing to make it right, because he did not owe me anything to redo this and send it to me. So all of us. So I am very thankful that they recognize their faults, admit their wrongs, and are willing to make it right. So I am thankful that I got a second one. Like I said, do think that the swatches on my hand are better. I don't know, this glass wet, I just really expected it to be something different. So maybe it's just my own personal expectations, but thank you guys so much for watching. See you later. Bye.